Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this hairstyle using FLEXI rods on my wet natural hair. So I'm just going to get right into the video and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so of course I'm starting on clean washed hair, and I'm just going to use a little bit of my Shea Moisture Make It Last Curl Primer just to moisturize my hair just a little bit. And then I'm going to use this Mousse Death by The Dew, and I'm going to put that in my hair. After you put your hair in sections, you are going to want to thoroughly detangle each section of your hair before you put in the FLEXI rod. That is so important. So once I brush through my hair and it's thoroughly detangled, I take the end and I wrap it around the FLEXI rod, and I slowly wrap it up. And I like to sort of smooth my hair on the FLEXI rod in the direction that I am rolling the FLEXI rod, just to smooth my hair out and reduce frizz. And then I'm going to lock it in place. And once I get to the top, I like to do a little twisting, and that sort of just helps it stay put and also helps to reduce frizz at the root. All right, so it's the next day. I'm pretty sure my hair is dry. And now I'm gonna take these FLEXI rods out and see how my hair is looking. And I'm pretty excited. I'm trying to go for like a fro look. I want my hair to really have more, you know, a little more like, I really want my hair to like sort of stick up more, sort of like a fro. So hopefully that will be what I'm getting. My hair should be dry. Yeah. My hair is dry, and this is looking very shiny and very cute and shiny and smooth. So that is good. Hair smells so good. I'm telling you, I don't think there is any comfortable way to sleep in FLEXI rods. So after I put these in, I did not get under a blow dry or anything. I was sort of contemplating it, but I didn't. I just went to sleep. And man, I don't know. I've slept in FLEXI rods plenty of times, and it is never, I don't know, the greatest thing. You know, I never get the best sleep when I have FLEXI rods in. But the results can be worth it, so it's all good. Sometimes your curls can get sort of messed up, so you can just do your finger and wind your hair back in the right direction. That's better. So this is all messed up on the end. So I'm just going to sort of take my finger . That's better. All right, so this is my hair. So I'm just going to use a little oil, put on my hands. You can use whatever oil your heart desires. I'm going to use the last little bit of this Alike's natural lemongrass oil, get some on my hands, and now I'm just gonna separate my hair. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like. This is sort of what I was going for. Of course, I want more volume and yeah, I want more volume and I want it to be a little more like messy like, but I'm pretty excited right now because I've never worn my hair this way. And I think it's so cute already. I'm loving it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like I've never had my hair like in a fro or like in a textured natural state and or curly state and had it like, you know, just out instead of having like a part somewhere. So yeah, this is hella cute and I'm loving it. So I am going to gently, I don't have a pick, but I'm going to use this wide tooth comb and I'm gently going to sort of, I guess, pull it out. Just gently. Just to give it some like volume. Hopefully I don't like mess it up or anything. All right, you guys, so this is pretty much it. This is done. I'm gonna stop, you know, ahead of time before I fluff it out too much and sort of mess it up. But yeah, I always thought for me to get like my hair sort of shaped like this, I would have to cut it, but apparently I don't. Yeah, I think it's super cute. I like it. And this is first day hair, so it's super like polished looking right now, but I know for sure, you know, probably like day 2 or 3 of me wearing my hair like this, it's going to just look a lot better. You know, it's gonna have a little frizz to it. It's just gonna be a little bigger. So definitely looking forward to that. I'm gonna show you guys my hair right now. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That is just me showing you how I did a flexi rod set on wet natural hair, and I'm feeling the results. I've never done a flexi rod set on wet hair before, like my wet hair before. I've usually done it on blow dried hair or straightened hair. That's usually how I use my flexi rods. But yeah, this is my first time doing it on wet hair and I'm feeling the results. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to leave a comment down below, give a thumbs up, and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll be sure to reply. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye. Excuse me.